So welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazali bami Zitho is about a TV personality, radio presenter, businessman and more. uFelix Hlophe. Guys, Felix Hlophe sekajoyine ikhambathi labo baba abanesithembu abomusamseli. Guys, sekanesithembu officially uFelix Hlophe has decided ukulobola uAyanda. Guys, on season 1 of reality show yakhe, a lot of people, they were not in love with a girlfriend like now she's a wife Ayanda. A lot of people, they were on the side nkosikazi wakhe, because even to me Ayanda came across as umuntu odelelayo or as umuntu wazi izinto eziningi ngoTracy, and she was very disrespectful. I don't wanna lie, she was very disrespectful to an extent whereby uthi umntana ka Philips Lomhlophe, the first born aka Tracy no Felix, bekasho izinto zokuthi le mntana lo engathathisa ingane aka Felix, and uthi ngathi le nto leyo wayithatha ku Tracy, of which a lot of people, I do not believe her, and I saw ukuthi nabantu abaningi ababelieve into yena ayithathe kubantu, like kuma comment uTracy makaposta la mntana, ngoba vele a lot of people uTracy makaposta umntana bebabuza wena ingane ize naye, oh yabo bethu nami at first bengicabanga ukuthi ingane yaka Tracy, because ifana no Tracy kakhulu that bese lo mncane ufana no Felix, so bekunaleyo confusion. I do not think uTracy akekho umzali or umfazi ongatshela isokon wife ukuthi no, yazi abantu abaningi bathi ingane akusaka Felix, and she was also insisting ukuthi uFelix ayenze iDNA nalengane le, ngalendlela yena bekathi lengane akusakusho umuntu onengane eziwu2 ngaphandle, umuntu odelela ngalendlela unengane eziwu2 ezinganabo baba, akakazi walotshola, akakazi wahlawula, but loyo muntu loyo ufila ngathi une right ukuthi atshele umamkhulu ukuthi ingane akuseka Felix. Guys, I for one am not happy ngalomshado, angujabulelanga ngalomshado. I'm looking forward to season 2 of reality TV show yabo, if they'll get one, because the first one azange ize like angathi ayenzanga kahle. A lot of people, they were not happy about the reality TV show. I don't know why. Mina I for one bengayitholi ibhoka, bengifanda ngathi it's normal. Vele ayifani nabomsele. I've never seen a reality show ngaphandle ngabo mama mhlawumbe efana nabo Musamseli, but I think yona nje beyizama shembe, they had the content. Let me just, they had the content. Indaba yebo yesithembu, it was on its own, it was the content. Indaba yabantu bakibo Tracy, it was a content. I don't know why abantu abaningi bangayithandanga, mhlamba bayithandanga just because indlela Felix eyenza ngayo izinto. Abafazi abaningi, they are tired ngokuthi umuntu athi ufuna isithembu aqhaphaza igama elithi isithembu. I really thought bahlukene. I don't wanna lie, bazali bami Zitho, but ke the past weekend uTracy ulotsholiwe. uTracy seka unkosikazi ka Felix Hlophe, seka umamncane okusemthethweni. Even though back then bangakabi umamncane kusemthethweni, but already she was driving imoto zaka Felix, bekahlala ka Felix. I don't know why Felix yenza kanjalo, but I guess uyamthanda ngendlela ehlukile, and there's nothing we can do. I'm looking forward for season 2, even though I just feel sorry for Tracy, and I feel like uTracy nje ngabe uthatha imithwalo yakhe hambe, because wow, how can you marry umfazi ombonile ongidele even on national TV? Okay, lokho ngitshela wona mhlambe bongakubelieve, but unkosikazi igirlfriend yakho ingidelele on national TV, waze wayenca ukuthi athi ingane yethu akusingane yakho, lengane izokhuluma leyo nto le izothini. But ke bazali bami Zitho, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.